Good morning, YouTubers. I am heading out. It's a motorcycle related channel, so I'm out riding. We're gonna go do a bike review video at a cool place. This guy's obviously out biking today too. Different kind. It is Thanksgiving Day 2023. It is nice and sunny here in Georgia, but it is chilly. It's about 48 degrees. And most people will be like, hey, that's not chilly. I know, I'm originally from Michigan. This is not chilly. However, I have become acclimated to being a southerner, and it's chilly. So, but hey, the sun is shining. I'm not working, so we're going to go out for a ride. So enjoy the view, and we're going to go review my 2016 Road Glide Special. Stay tuned. So go figure, I come to Lake Varner on Thanksgiving Day, nobody here. After I get everything all set up, these people end up showing up and wanted to get in the video. Go figure. Alright guys, we're going to do a simple bike review of my 2016 Road Glide Special. I purchased this motorcycle with about 3,000 miles on it and have completely redone it. So 2016 was the last year of the twin cam motor. It is the 103 cubic inch motor. It does have the high output cam, which came stock in Harley's production version of the 103 motor. Big fan of the twin cam motor. Just used to it. I know the sound of it, I know the feel of it. Nothing against an M8, but I just happen to favor the twin cam. I've had several, and I definitely enjoy riding this bike. Got the 12-inch Clockworks Pro Touring windshield, which I absolutely love. Makes it easier for doing YouTube stuff, so y'all can see through it because I'm short. I did have the 9-inch Clockworks all-black windshield. It was amazing. It looks beautiful. Just wasn't very functional for what I'm doing. So, do have the windshield trim on there as well. I swapped out the headlight to the Hogworks headlight. I do have custom dynamics lighting all the way around. And the interesting thing about this motorcycle, if you know what you're looking at, in 2016 the Road Glide Special only came in chrome. So I spent a lot of time, effort, and money to black everything out. I've switched the front and rear wheels out to the bronze ST wheels, which I think look great with the gold accent on the motorcycle. The front end does have a progressive drop-in suspension in it. We've switched to the Thrash and Supply T-bar setup. These are the 6.5-inch pullback risers with the high bend bars. Absolutely love it. If you haven't seen my Thrash and review videos on the handlebars, I will put a link in the description for you. Like I said, I've completely blacked everything out, changed the tank console, got a little bit of chef flavor on the bike as well. So we've changed out the tank emblems from the signature Harley-Davidson cursive logo stuff to the current bar and shield emblems, just because I like them. We do have color matched lower fairings on there, which work great in the fall and winter time. Down here in the summertime, it's a little bit hot, so I don't know if we're going to end up leaving those on or not. So, alright, got the Saddlemen road sofa. Super comfortable, not compared to the Saddlemen step-up touring seat, which I had that I did a review on, where I wasn't very favorable in that as well. We've put saddlebag guards on there, another little bit of chef flavor to it. Do have docking hardware with the Hogworks covers for the docking hardware, which I like. I'm not a big fan of chrome, so it does keep that covered. Like I said, we do have custom dynamics lighting all the way around. We do have the custom dynamics sequential turn signal bag lights, rear turn signals, and filler lights in the panel as well. For the exhaust, we have the Tab Performance True Dual Header System, coming back to the 4.5-inch BAM sticks with the Zombie baffles. You can't really see because the saddlebags are on, but we do have an Öhlins rear suspension, the 775, which has definitely improved the ride. And we'll talk about suspension in a future video. We've switched out the shift linkage, and the shifters do have the Thrashin Supply shifter pegs on here. So I'm a big fan of lighting. I think lighting keeps you safer, allows people to see you, and where I live there are a tremendous amount of deer, and I definitely want to make sure that I can see those. Got rear lighting as well.